This is Muhammad Al-Mala showing a video of a trabeculectomy conjunctival closure. This is a fornix-based flap. We first make an incision approximately 1 millimeter back from the limbus, then we hydrodissect with block solution. Micro Westcott scissors are then used to continue the incision approximately 1 millimeter back from the limbus. We skip forward here in the video just to show the blunt dissection of the anterior lip of conjunctiva using a Wexel sponge. And now we get to the actual conjunctival closure. This is a modified WISE closure as described by Garry Condon. The initial pass is through conjunctiva and sclera, and this is tied down. This is a running suture, a running closure. This first pass through the conjunctiva is made from the external surface of the conjunctiva to the internal surface of the conjunctiva. Then we make a pass through sclera, and this is a long pass. We then reload the needle and make a pass close to the initial pass of the conjunctiva, this time from the internal surface of the conjunctiva to the external surface. We then leave some space and pass again from the external surface of the conjunctiva now to the internal surface. We then make another long scleral pass, entering the sclera close to the exit of our previous suture pass. We then pull the suture tight. As we do so, we pull the conjunctiva forward to ensure that the conjunctiva is cinched down close to the anterior lip. The next pass is once again made close to the previous pass, this time through the conjunctiva from the internal surface to the exterior surface. We leave some space again, and we go from the external surface to the internal surface. We then make another long scleral pass underneath the anterior lip of conjunctiva. Once we make this pass, we then once again pull the suture tight. As we do so, we pull the conjunctiva forward and ensure that once again the conjunctiva is cinched down underneath the anterior lip of conjunctiva. We then make one final pass. This pass goes through conjunctiva, through sclera, and out again through conjunctiva. And we then tie this. We then leave a loop so we can tie our running suture. With fornix-based flaps, it's essential to ensure a watertight closure. Here we re-inflate the anterior chamber, and we want to make sure that a nice bleb forms. Here I use a Wexel sponge to demonstrate that the closure is watertight. Once again, this is Muhammad Al-Mala showing a video of a trabeculectomy conjunctival closure using the modified WISE technique. Thank you.